How to transfer Notcoin from Ton wallet to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Binance account, then open up your wallets. After that, click on this particular option of deposit. After that, you need to search for Ton on the search bar. Simply search Not and open up Notcoin. Now it will ask you to choose a network. Simply choose Toncoin, and this is what it will give you. Now copy this particular deposit address and open up your Ton wallet. On your Ton wallet, simply select Notcoin and click on send. After that, you need to paste the address that we just copied, and if the memo option is also there, simply copy and paste this particular memo, and make sure that you type it all correctly or copy and paste both of them correctly, otherwise your funds might get lost. And this is how you would be able to send Notcoin or transfer Notcoin from Ton wallet to Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.